Hi, I'm Kevin Gatto, and I'm here to discuss the best products and styling options for curly hair. I'm always asked by women with curly hair how to not only maintain their curls, but enhance them. The first step in keeping curly hair looking good is regular trips to your stylist, about every 6 to 8 weeks. For at-home maintenance, invest in a good hydrating shampoo and conditioner. They should be sulfate-free and high in moisture. Before washing your hair, brush it from scalp to ends to get the natural oils to your ends. Let sit for a minute or two with a cap on your head. Never rough dry your hair. It opens up your cuticle layer of your hair, resulting in frizz. Instead, pat dry your hair gently and use a wide-toothed comb to detangle your hair. For a more natural-looking curl, don't brush out your hair. Use a wide-toothed comb to distribute product through your hair. When scrunching, blow dry on a low-heat setting with a diffuser. Only dry until about 80% dry, and let air dry as much as possible to prevent frizz.